Assalamu alaikum everyone. uh, Hoping everyone is doing fine. Basically, this video is about opening or disassembling or removing the stem of a Chinese watch. Basically, this is a yazole brand watch. uh, it was very cheap in price. I thought I should buy this because it is a very pretty piece and I like it. But what I came to find out that uh, it is not that sturdy as other good brand watches. So ultimately, it kinda broke down on me, and I will discuss what happened to it in some another video. But for today, I am making a video just to disassemble it. Okay, now first of all, this is the back plate. So it is just a pull off plate. You pry out this you pry it out from this place by using a screwdriver or any pointed sharp piece of metal or wood, whatever you can use. Okay, so after removing this backing plate, now things come down to this part here. So this is just a plastic piece. You can remove it without removing the stem. After removing this piece, you just need to pull it out. You just pick it and just pull it out, this white piece. In this video, I'm not going to remove it because one of my hand is holding the camera and another one is used to point the procedure how to remove the stem. Okay, when you pull out this white plastic tab or cover, then you will face another problem before removing the whole assembly, this working mechanism. You have to remove the stem right here. So this is what you call the tricky part, or missing piece of the puzzle. You see here this piece, focus. You just have to press it and at the same time pull out the stem. This is the trick here to remove the stem. See this one, which I'm touching with my toothpick, this plate. You have to remove it and at the same time pull out the stem. After removing the stem, you can easily remove the whole housing with all the clock hand and all, and you can easily get to the glass. If you have any questions or don't understand what I'm saying, you can put down a comment. I will try to do my best to help you guys out. Thank you.